So let's go ahead. I want to play this video clip for you guys. This is from June 5th, right here on this YouTube channel, when Adam asked me, what do you think about Unity? There are a couple of levels that I want to focus on very heavily, and one of them is $35. $35 for me is an important level here for Unity, because when you take a look back here, you'll notice gap, right? That was gap entry. Okay, we broke above gap entry and we're still sitting above it. Then look back further to the left. Prior to gap entry, you can see a double bottom support level there at 35 as well. So now we broke above 35, heavy volume, fundamental catalyst, previous resistance level. Now let's look for it to become support. And if we can look for that to become support and we can stabilize there, maybe there's more upside and you can get a move. Oops, wrong draw tool. And you can get a move that can maybe take you to these tops of around 42.5. So my initial reaction here is that this move to the upside on Unity, my initial thoughts are it's not done. My initial thoughts are there's going to be more upside here. I want to test this level of 42. Okay, you can see back here in September, it was resistance. It was resistance there in the very beginning of December, and then resistance there for the entire month of February. Now we've got a catalyst with Apple. I would like to see this stock get up to 42 within the next couple of days. There you go. That's from June 5th. Well, let's draw a line across 42, and there's your line across 42. And folks, what do you know? Here we are a couple days later, 42. Exactly what we said on that live stream on June 5th. And members absolutely nailed it on that trade alert and analysis. Congratulations, my TTG fam. If you guys hit on this Unity trade, sound off in chat. Tell me how you did. You know, I love to hear when the whole team hits. I saw so many of you bank on this trade today. You guys were all commenting in chat. Everybody was high-fiving. I love to see it. So congratulations, members of True Trading Group, on what was a 200% gain for Anthony McKinnis. That's big time. Big time. Jamie Rodriguez killed it. Yes. 100% gain for Papa John. Now we're talking. Oh, this is nuts. You guys are nuts. I love to see it. Congratulations, guys. Congrats, congrats, congrats.